Good morning student, welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Today I am going to teach you class 5, 6, 7, 8 subject computer, and in this topic I will discuss you about Microsoft Excel shortcut keys. You know what is important shortcut key? Shortcut key consume your times, very less times, and there is no need to touch the mouse and other things. You simply do any words from your keyboards. Generally there are one or two or one or four keyboards are generally present in a keyboard. It is very important shortcut key where you can do any word. Suppose your mouse is not working in a proper way, so you can do it working in a by a keyboard. This is not a shortcut key. Then there's many keys on the keyboard: alpha keys, alphabetical keys, function keys, control keys, window keys, space bar keys, caps lock key, numeric keys. There's lots of keys which is very helpful for do any words in the computer in a very few seconds, or even you take a minutes by a shortcut key. There's no need to take by clicking your mouse too much in this here. And here in Microsoft Excel, there's many sheets are present here. The interaction of row and column is known as Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program. Here you can make a timetables also. You can do calculations, plus, minus, subtraction, divides, average, function key. There's a lots of operations are there where you can do any words here. You know, you can load your data here also. There's many Excels and crucial command here, and this is why this is shortcut key very important for us. That help us to do work very fast. There's no need to take a mouse or other circumstances. Here there are some. Let's start highlighted some of the words of shortcut key which is very important in Microsoft Excel shortcut key. First of all is Control plus A. Here its main function is select all. Control A means suppose in a keyboard you type Control plus A, you can select all the documents in a once time. There is no to selection this Microsoft Excel even you first of all you select it by your mouse, or even from the keyboard by pressing Control plus A. If you select Control plus A, you see from class 5, 6, 7, 8 to here redo, all the program were selected in color is bluish colors comes, and if you press by selection you can change its article, you can modify it, you can edit any program here. So there is a mistake, you want to delete it, you can delete it also. But there is lots of work you can do from the by pressing Control plus A. Its main was to select all the programs. There is no need to select anything here. You can need to select anything here. Second is Control plus B. Its main function is bold. You know bold. In bold, the word is looking too bold in a dark color. Even if you read it, your eyes is focused on the bold letter. So any important notice or any important dates you can highlight in a bold letter. So that's why this Control plus B help us. So suppose there is a it is in white and color. So see, this is blackboard in black, but I written from chalk is white. If you bold it in a red way, the all my minds or anything people's minds go to the bold or red color. What is white is a red color. So it is very important. So this Control plus B very helpful for highlighting the words. Third one is Control plus C. This means copy. Suppose you want to copy all the cells. So first of all you select it by pressing Control plus A in a keyboard, and after that in a keyboard you say press Control plus C, then you copy it. And after copy it, you can push your cursor anything and paste it numerous times. So this copy is very helpful for us for pasting anything. You know there is a cut also, copy also, paste also. This help us for the numeric function for by pushing anything from one page to another page, from one file to another file is very helpful. This copy functions. Fourth one is Control plus B is fill down. Suppose in a MS Excel, if you want to fill, so you fill here, you press Control plus D, the cursor put downs, and after put downs, all the things are written in here in the downward word. This fill down is helpful. There is no need to press your mouse there. You simply help us by pressing Control plus D. Fifth one is Control plus F. Search current sheet. Suppose there are 3 sheets are present in MS Excel. It is present in the horizontal line, first, second, third. If you want to go sheet from first to second, or second to third, it helps us to to fill down or to search current sheets. Current sheet means where in each sheet you are working, it helps for the current sheets. Control plus G, go to the certain area. Suppose you want to go to the outside, we go to the outside. If you go to the end, you go to the end point. This help us, we go to certain area, help us for the going to the anything. There is no need of mouse. Control plus I means italics. Means if you write anything, suppose you write a computer, it is in italic mode. Means the C, O, M, P, U, T in a course in a zigzag manner. This is slanting this line. So this help us by control plus I help us write anything in a italics manner. Now the control plus K is meant by hyperlink. It means hyperlink is it is related to web page. It transfers from one page to another page, one file to another file. This hyperlink is very helpful. We link email ID also. You see the hyperlink color in bluish color. It helps us to move from one pages to it helps us to send link also by pressing the control plus K. 9 control plus L. This open the create table data box. Suppose you open anything, we want to open, you press control plus A. It open the create data table. Where you create a data tables by pressing control plus A, you will know to open it. And this function very you are familiar, control plus N. Suppose this page is too much fill up, simply you press control plus N, new page comes. And in a new page you can do a lots of work here. So this new help us to go to the new pages. Control plus O means open. If you press control plus O, if you make any field by your name, suppose you make a name from your RAM, so simply go to the control plus O. Control plus O, you go in, there's lots of names occur, and open the RAM, you see there also it is present there. This control plus O help us to open your files, where you locate it and where you save it. Control plus P is help to print. Suppose you write anything in a control in a print in Excel, you write anything here, you want to print, the tightly press from the shortcut key control plus P. Now you can, by pressing control plus P, you can print it, any documents. Control plus R. This control plus R helps you to fill right. Suppose this is in a Excel, you write here in a left, you want to fill the right. So this control plus, by pressing control plus R, your cursor moves to right. And where it writes, you write anything. Control plus helps to shift, means go to the analysis. And this is shift plus the pressing it also helps to save your file also. Control plus S will also help to file shift plus F3. This is also shortcut key. If you have this, it clear. And this control plus S help to save any documents here. And in 15 control plus T, this create a dialog box. Suppose you have any dialog box in tables. This control plus T help us to go to the any dialog box where you write anything. It helps in the dialog box manner. Control plus U, it main function underline. Suppose you write anything, suppose you write a computer, if you press by selecting it, you press control plus U, the letter is I. So this help us, control plus U help you underline the text. Control plus V, it helps to paste your document. Suppose you anything you by copying, or suppose control plus V you copy it and you want to stick here you want to paste, so that you press put your cursor here and press control plus V, this paste option go there. Control plus W, it helps us to close your program. Suppose you want to close it, before closing your program, you first of all you save it by pressing control plus S. After saving it, you press control plus W, your all open program is closed slowly and slowly by pressing in the, there's a 3 buttons here, minimize, maximize and close. By pressing close, you can delete all the functions. Control plus X, it helps us to cut. Suppose what is usually copy and cut. If you copy it, it is present here. But if you cut it, it is demolished when it is complete omission from here. This helps us to cut the copy. And control plus Y is help to repeat your action, redo. Suppose you press control plus Z, create option go is totally invisible. You press control plus Y, it is visible. This helps us to action up to 10 steps. When the keyboard you can do redo option also. And lastly, control plus Z is to undo. Suppose by the way your page is totally disappear from the screen, and you press control plus Z, all the documents are present in the undo. So this is why this shortcut key, this Microsoft Excel shortcut key, very helpful to stop your minimum your time, and you do a lots of work within an hour, within a second. There is no need to press your mouse anything. but simply from keyboard you can do a lots of work. After it can simply help us to control Z help us press. That's why this shortcut is very important for us. I think all of you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.